Alright, so here is a new Ruud commercial series package gas pack. It's running in heat mode right now. It's ice and water. It's RKPN 5-ton from, what year is this thing? Where's the date? Looks like it's from 2020. Well, I can't find the date anywhere. It's probably right in front of my face, but I just can't see it. Oh wait, there, yeah, there it is. February of 2020. This replaced I think a 2002 York package unit. York gas pack. What's this? Micro channel coils. Yeah, I saw this across the street and knew something was different, so. Yep. And right over here used to be another York gas pack, but as you can see, it is gone. Not entirely sure what happened to it, but it is not here anymore. Not sure if a new unit's gonna go here or what, but anyways, figured I'd get that quick video of this new Ruud commercial series package unit. So, thanks for watching.